Papa is leaving, baby. Tell Papa bye-bye.
I love you, Tyler.
I love you, Papa. What's on your things?
Peace.
Hmm?
Okay, peace. Peace.
Peace.
Just peace.
This is peace. Say peace.
Peace.
Alright. Go.
Baby's leaving.
Alright, guys, I'm leaving. Gotta go back to work. Gotta leave town for a couple of days. So I wish you a nice day. I hope everything will be nice, and I see you guys in my channel.
Bye.
Bye.
Mama. Mama.
Yes, baby.
Don't forget my soul. It's my soul.
Listen. Bye. Stella.
Did you like chocolate egg?
Yes, I love chocolate eggs, but not as much as you.
Mama,
Yes.
did you like sweeter?
If I like sweetie?
Yeah.
Yes, I kinda like sweetie. How about you?
No, sweeter.
Sweetie.
Sweeter.
Stop saying sweeter. Say the right word. It's sweetie.
Sweetie.
Right. You're
Mama?
so funny. Yes, Stella.
Did you like
He's giving me an interview.
did you like pizza?
Pretzel. I love pretzel. Do you like pretzel?
Yes.
Oh. What else?
Did you, Mama?
Yes.
Did you like watching tablet?
If I like to watch tablet?
Yes.
No, I don't like to watch tablet. Do you love to watch tablet?
No.
No? That's not true. You love to watch tablet.
No.
No? Okay.
Mama,
What is your name?
my name is Daya.
Very good. How old are you?
I'm 2 years.
You're 2 years old. Good job. Yes.
Did you like Jimmy Rider?
If I like driving rider?
No.
If I like what? Ask me again.
Did you like Jimmy Rider?
What?
Did you like Jimmy Rider?
If I like what with rider? Yeah, that's rider, but I'm trying to understand what you're asking me.
Did you like Jimmy garbage truck?
Oh, if I like driving garbage truck?
Yes.
No, I don't like to drive garbage truck because it have a strong smell. Do you like to drive garbage truck?
No.
Why?
Mama,
Why you don't like to drive garbage truck?
Mama,
Yes. What is your favorite food? What do you like to eat?
I eat Mama.
What do you like to eat? Tell Mama.
Mama.
Tell Mama what you like to eat.
Mama.
Yes.
Are you hungry?
If I'm hungry? Yes, because it's almost lunchtime.
Mama.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
No, you're not. You just had lunch. Your stomach is full.
Mama.
Is your stomach full?
I feel so good.
Huh? What?
Mama.
What did you say?
Mama.
Yes, Stella. What?
Do you like ice cream?
I love ice cream. My favorite flavor is vanilla. Do you like ice cream?
Yes.
What's your favorite flavor in ice cream?
Red.
Red. Red is strawberry.
Green.
And green. Green is pistachio. And which one else? Which other one?
Purple.
Purple. I don't know what purple is, but it sure should taste good.
Yes.
Yummy.
Mama.
Can you say morning, Faves?
Mama.
Say how are you guys?
I want to guys.
Ask them what they're doing.
I eat chicken and
Yeah.
potato.
You eat chicken and potatoes for lunch?
Yes.
Ooh, was it yummy? Was it yummy?
No, for Mama.
Was it yummy?
No, for Mama.
For Mama? Mama don't want any potatoes and chicken. I'm asking you if lunch was yummy.
Mama.
Was lunch yummy, yes or no?
No.
It wasn't yummy? Why? But you ate it off.
Mama.
Yes, Ty. Hi, Faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you
Mama.
guys.
Mama.
Yes, Stella?
Are you hurt?
If I'm hurt, no, I'm not hurt. Why would I be hurt? Are you hurt?
No. Look. Foot hurt.
My foot is not hurt. My foot is fine.
Oh, let me see.
What's your assessment?
Foot.
Foot is better?
Yes.
Okay. Hey, lovelies. Hey, you wonderful, 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 amazing, beautiful people. In previous clip, you guys would have seen Babe leaving Tyler and I. He has been away for a few days, so this clip is a few days since then, and he haven't been back as yet. However, he's returning today. He's returning today, and Tyler and I couldn't be more excited. We hate when he's away. It's just not the same when he's away. It's never easy when he's to leave, because we're so used to having each other. It's never easy when he's to leave us, but you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta work. So Tyler and I have been here. Since then, I have been taking Tyler to work with me, of course, because Mama is talking. I have been taking Tyler to work with me because, of course, we don't have anybody to keep him, and we don't have anybody to pick him up from the daycare if I bring him to daycare. So Tyler and I has been just chilling and enjoying just mom and son alone time, and every second he asks, "Mama, where is Papa?" Especially at bedtime, because he's so used to both of us doing his bedtime routine and stuff. So he's been asking for Babe. However, Babe have to go to work, so Tyler and I are just here chilling. So I'm just coming on to show you guys some love. Yes, Tyler.
I do scared ants.
You scared of the ants?
Yes.
You don't have to be scared of the ants, okay? So we're just here hanging out for the most part. We don't really have anything much on our agenda today apart from going to work. Yeah, so that's what we'll be doing basically. So you guys won't be seeing us until later when we get back from work and when babe get home.
Mama,
Yes.
I do cry.
If I cry, I cry when I get sad and when I'm happy and when I'm extremely emotional. How about you? Do you cry?
Oh, Mama.
Do you?
Cry.
No, only mama cry.
Yes.
You don't cry?
Yes.
You cry? Why do you cry?
Mama.
Why do you cry?
Mama.
Tell mama, why do you cry? Why do Tyler cry? Huh? Why does Tyler cry? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're testing me to see if I'm sick?
Yes. Mama.
Yes.
Okay, Dada in the doctor.
Tyler's at the doctor?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. What do you want to be when you grow up? You want to be a doctor when you grow up?
Yes.
Yes?
Just Dada.
It's just Tyler?
Yes.
Okay. Tyler is going to the doctor next Friday, you know? You're going to the doctor next Friday? You want to go to the doctor?
No.
No?
I'm not going doctor. No.
Why?
Because Dada cry.
No, Tyler don't cry at the doctor. Tyler's a big boy.
It was happy. Dada happy.
Yes.
Mama.
Mm-hmm. Tyler happy. And then Tyler gets sad. Show mama happy face. Show mama sad face.
Mama.
Show mama sad face. Where's sad face? Show mama surprise face. So funny. Anyway, you guys, my boy and I are gonna continue hang out for today.
Mama.
So see you guys later.
So they got sweeter.
I am also sending love to one of our very sweet subscriber by the name of Priscilla. If you guys are a real fave, then you know that you would have seen her down in the comment section. She reached out to me a few days ago and let me know that her father passed away, and I know how hard it is to lose somebody, especially someone who plays a parent figure in your life. It's not easy. So girl, I'm sending you all the love, and I hope that you'll manage to stay strong and, you know, keep your head up and keep moving. Just want to say sorry for your loss, and we're sending you lots of love. Stay smiling and stay sweet. We love you, girl. Hey faves, I am just sitting here waiting on my poor baby, my poor husband. His flight has been canceling, and well, not canceling but delaying. His flight delayed twice. He wanted to reach home a little bit earlier this week, but though he took a way earlier flight, he's still going to reach home late, like how he would normally reach home all the other weekends or all the other days. But it is what it is. That's how flights are. But he's really mad. But he'll be okay. He's just going to be extremely tired. I'm just here waiting on baby. I miss him so much. When he's away, it's just never the same. It's just, I just hate when he's away. He's my best friend. He's my everything. He's all my God. I just miss him when he's away so much. I love you, babe, but I can't wait for you to come home. Oh my gosh, my surprise ruined. Pepe, I feel like I'm torturing you. I wanted to surprise you. But you come too fast.
I believe you are about to wake up, Tyler.
No, I wanted to surprise you.
Sorry.
My surprise
Hi
room.
guys. It's not too late.
You guys, babe reached home so fast from the airport. I didn't get time to light on a candle.
Sorry.
Only some light. Only so.
That's cool. That's very nice.
I know you had a long day.
Oh, mwah.
I wanted to Oh, you read so fast.
No, because I sent you a message and you answer me like after 10 minutes after.
Yeah, but I thought you just landed. I didn't know you were out of the airport. You always message me when you land. So I'm saying, okay, he's gonna land and check out.
I tell you when I was in the hall.
I miss you.
I miss you too.
I wanted you to come on to a sweet surprise.
To what?
To a sweet surprise.
I'll come home with a sweet surprise. That's still a sweet surprise for me.
With only 5 candles lit. And I didn't want it to stand outside any longer.
It doesn't matter. It's and it's warm in my heart. That's the most important. That's the intention, and it's come here. For me, it's the same that if it was lighting.
For you.
For me, is the same thing, and you warm my heart.
Aww, I love you.
I love you too.
Yes. Anyway, guys, husband is home. Peace out.